Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry Gambell with SimplerTrading.com, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to bring another theme that I'm going to be working with for 2021 to you, and it begins with the 3-day chart of ITB. Now, we've covered these 3-day charts in some of the previous free videos, but it's a pretty basic idea that, a weekly is a very large time frame, and then a daily that people spend the most of their time on, obviously a bit shorter, and then thinking about the Goldilocks level, or something that's kind of nice and right in between, I find that the 3-day can really set up for some very good swing trades. Now, they can take a while to play out, which is why I'm not really offering timing on this exactly, because I don't know exactly when or how it's going to trigger. But I think for the first part, and especially for a theme of the entire year of 2021, is that this squeeze could fire long in ITB and then carry this home construction ETF into new highs. So kind of using that as the backbone of my signal, or the ETF as a fundamental theme that should be unfolding, I can then come down into one of its components of Home Depot, and you'll notice how in this chart as well you have the 3-day squeeze, and it's a little off the beaten path from what I'm usually going to bring as far as technical suggestions, because I prefer situations where your moving averages are trading in favor of the trend. Right now with the faster moving average below the slower, you could argue that the market is a little bit under pressure, and I of course understand that, but I'm also trying to get you into an idea, before it unfolds. This may need to take a little bit more heat. If I get lucky, I'm not going to have to deal with this at all below 260, right? This area right in here will continue to hold a support. You'll see the momentum of the 3-day squeeze continue to shift, and then as we can get out of this descending trend, really catch some healthy moves up into the new high of 300 and then extensions into 310. So those are a couple of names that I'm going to be really focused on as we get into the first part of this new year. I hope that provides some helpful themes for you to focus your trading, and we'll see you in the next free video.